Hey everybody, how's it going on? So today we will learn the best side hustles to work on from the home right now to fight the boredom. So these days there is a saying, I need to create a digital income, most people these days. So during difficult times we realize how much we need to backup plan and how we can't rely on the one job for a source of income like prior generations did. So the good news is that you can make money from your phone and you can use this time to build a unique side hustle while you wait for the world to figure out itself. So how can you bring in money down in the line new side hustles? So I want to show you side hustle ideas to work on while you are bored at home. So the one thing that truly amazes me is how people are able to make real money from their phones or with just a Wi-Fi connection through some unique methods. I'm fascinated with the idea of making money from the same device that so many us are distracted these days. I know that you're too since you're still reading it. There are like quick solutions where you can earn guaranteed money, freelancing and so on that we have discussed already in the previous videos. So then there are longer term options where you are going to have to wait to see more or some money from your methods. I have relied on traditional ways to make money in the quarantine. So I have also looked into setting myself to make money on the side hustles from the home that will pay off in the future. I want to show you that side hustles do make money for us in the future also. We are going to look at some interesting side hustles ideas so that you have to have a bunch of side businesses ideas to work on your spare time also. So how these things are going to work? For example, first building a blog is also a good idea. I believe that everyone should have some sort of an online presence first, okay? So this doesn't mean that you have to start a blog where you plaster your face all over it. You don't have to be an influencer also. You don't have to be a blog about blogging or try to be another inspirational person. But it's important that you share your ideas with the world. I've been blogging for like over 12 years now. So I'm naturally a fan of this idea. I know that most of the people will push the Bluehost on you, okay, the Bluehost services on you, but I know that it's almost annoying how the best way to make money online is to talk about the making money online. So that's just the reality of the entrepreneurship and marketing sometimes. The good news is that you don't have to blog about making money. So you can't share or you can share your ideas on the topic that interests you, okay, not just about the making money. So you can start off like $1 a month for the initial days and then you can start growing your income. So that's next to the nothing, but this is like the easiest way to build a home base and place for to share your ideas also, okay, the online presence. You're going to need to learn some SEO tooling and some basic marketing skills, that is digital marketing. But if your writing is decent, then you will get picked up by the Google search engines and you can bring in some eyeballs on what you're doing. That is simplified version, okay? So with everyone at home, you know how access to more people are there. Many of us are like simply looking for the distractions also. Your blog can be source of distractions and entertainment during this time. So SiteGround sent me this video on like how easy it is to start the blog today. Okay, I have reviewed it and then after watching it, I have my own video. I've used both Bluehost and SiteGround also. Bluehost is like good place to start for the most new bloggers, okay? And SiteGround has really good deals right now. So you can go wrong either way and you can start with it. Your blog can also become your home base for your freelance writing, consulting and anything else that you choose to launch. So also check out other videos of mine where you have written how to do this, okay, as a side hustle. Check out the video about Eric Lugard on the YouTube where he has put up very good idea on how to do the freelance writing gigs also. Okay, this is the best time for planting the seeds for the future. Always remember this note. So I'm not here to sell the dream here, but I'm here to show you that what you can do instead of complaining about being bored at home or not able to make some extra cash online, etc., etc. So many friends have turned to me to see that how they can make money with the blog also, with the YouTube channel for that matter, or with any other online venture that is present. So it's possible to make money with any side business ideas from the home, but you just can't expect to start a blog in a week that will bring in you a profit, okay? You have to have patience. I cover actual monetization in the other articles also, or other videos also, and build and learn the ropes also. Then there is other obvious issues also. I don't have the skills to do any of these. I don't know where to start. Okay, these kind of questions are there being asked. So if you don't have any skills that then pay for the skills and learn from the online tutorials. Then acquire the skills required for the side hustle. You can also teach yourself from these articles. There is also YouTube tutorial on every possible topic out there, so you can't complain about it. You can just go and search online about different topics and how to start with it. Okay, you can set up a few systems and ideas today to bring in more money down the road. And I know that this won't help you today, but it's gonna plant a seed for you, and it's important that we always plan for the worst case scenario ahead. So guys, just go with the different side hustle ideas, mix them together, okay? And today you can start with different ideas on a online platform, such as from creating to blog or creating to a video channel. And not only that, you just have to create a blog and start publishing it. You can also go for the video for that matter. And there is not only YouTube who pays you for or monetize your videos. There are other platforms like Hideout is there, Loot Me Up is there. So different platforms have emerged recently where you can go and publish your videos and also start making. Even with the slightest idea, for example, if someone is loving to how to cook at home videos, then you can just film them, upload their videos on 3 different channels that I have told you right now. Like Hideout is there, Loot Me Up is there, and YouTube is there. You can publish the same video on 3 different platforms and start getting monetization from all the 3 video channels. Okay. In a similar fashion, you can also do that for the blog also. So with only single Nike, you can be creating your multiple income sources, and that's the best part of the online presence. But make sure that you are having your blogs ready and set up, okay, and your YouTube channel set up. There are some pre-qualification criteria which you can fulfill easily these days and start making money online. So guys, go ahead with this side hustle and start making money online. Thank you.